follow your instincts in life sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was that the mud vein song you were talking about?
No.
Who is? I want to see who this is real fast though.
Now, can I make it right here or no? Can I?
What do you-
Or just what I want to.
Why don't you just keep going down the way you came?
Yeah. See, we want to go that way. I'm going into Edmonds. I don't want to go into Edmonds. Go in here and back around real quick before those other motherfuckers go up in the Yeah, get me out of here.
We're trying to get out of here.
I think this guy's only letting people go straight.
That's all I want to do. That's what I want to do. There we go. Yes, sir. Hello. Yeah, there we go. That's cool. Let's get out of here. We got some video there, Britt.
Yep.
That would probably look cool too.
Why is it only a half hour?
It's a little neighborhood thing.
I'm like,
What are you doing? Take it easy.
I always thought they were like an hour or two.
No,
Well, the big ones
Can I
are.
run the stop sign? Excellent. I'd be happy. No, this ain't too bad.
The big hill.
Yeah.
It is.
Huh?
It is.
Look at all the cars.
I know.
Yeah.
Just for that little show too.
I think so, yeah. Yeah.
That was kind of a bummer.
Yeah.
Well, you got a little video. Maybe it's worth it. It'll look cool.
Yeah, I wanted to like
I just
see
thought
fireworks
we should have
forever.
just stayed at home and watched it on the watch the Space Needle and stuff on TV and like the
Lake Union.
and like watch the Empire State Building and stuff, whatever it is, and the New York ones and stuff.
Oh yeah. DC.
All those, yeah.
They got some.
I like seeing them in person though.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're better on TV. The where Elliott Bay one should have been good, but
Oh, that was always a great show. That was the biggest around.
What about the Space Needle?
Well, that was okay. The Elliott Bay show's always been the biggest.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Lake Union's pretty good though. Pretty good. And you got all the little smaller areas. Yeah, it's fogging up. boys sometimes, a few times where we
La 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 la.
picked up the boys too.
Oh, yeah.
We drive up here,
Right.
go to the four-way, and then go up to Barb's up that way.
Right.
Let's see.
Why is it so dark outside?
Oh, I like when you get to run the stop sign.
It makes life worth it.
I love that.
No, you don't. You get a ticket.
Oh, now he wants us to stop. Sure. Feel like we're going
Bet there's black people in front of us, that's why.
Yeah, you didn't search your car. Crap. Cracking 40s.
The 40s are okay, they don't have to check for that. I hear that too.
I bet Ron gets tired. How long can you do this?
I don't know.
Switch on.
I said, like, somebody, when I stopped a random vehicle for a crack check, but all I found was 40s and fried chicken. God.
Some watermelon seeds.
That'd be oh, yeah.
Here's a bottle of slow gin.
Some watermelon skin. Some watermelon skin or whatever that's called.
It's brines.
Oh, those potatoes were good.
That is the fireworks thing over here.
Yeah, babe.
But that was a good concert last night.
Green Day. Oh, there's some.
Yeah.
Where? Where?
Straight
Yeah.
ahead.
Right ahead.
See?
No,
Oh, did I just see some? No. I think I'm going firework crazy.
I wish I would have thought about that though. Up at Glen Haven.
Uh-oh, there's a cop there. I wonder if I was speeding. Probably.
You were speedy?
Probably. I was coasting, but you know how the car cruises up. Oh, no tattoos right here.
Scallywag tattoo.
Scuttlebutt. The one near Brittany's house.
The one I got tattooed at?
Yeah, Scuttlebutt.
What are you talking about?
Scuttlebutt?
Tattoo parlor is called Scuttlebutt. Scallywag, that's like a pirate thing.
My neighbors own a tattoo parlor.
They have one?
They own it, yeah.
Huh?
Oh, and like, well, and piercings, but I think all tattoo
What's
parlors,
theirs
yeah.
called?
I think old school or something like that.
It's Randy! Or is she up here
I want
further?
to see Parkinson's tattoo. Oh, that'd be horrible. No, but I don't think like anyone would go there.
That's a place?
No, I want to see that. You know Parkinson's disease?
Oh,
Parkinson's tattoo.
oh, oh,